Friends, here our concept is how to use Docker image tags while pulling images, or simply how to download required Docker image version. Now let me go with our Docker host. If you remember, we already pulled or downloaded two Docker images. Let me display them by using Docker images. Now see the output. We are having two images. One is Ubuntu, one is CentOS. And if you observe this output, here we have a tag as well. Now this tag is like latest for your both images. What is mean by latest? So simply latest is nothing but latest available image in your Docker hub for your image. Now if you remember, we already created two containers by using these two images. Now these two are the containers. Now let me enter into any one of the container. Let's say Ubuntu container. Simply docker exec-it, then your container ID, then bash shell. So here I'm using bash shell to enter into your container. Now we are inside of our container. Now let me display the OS information of this container. See that 20. So as of now, for Ubuntu server, this is the latest version. That is the meaning of latest here. Suppose now I need a container with Ubuntu OS version as 18.04. Then how we can create it? Now first let me come out from this container simply by pressing Ctrl PQ. Fine. So as of now our images are Ubuntu and CentOS. Now I need a Ubuntu image with 18.04 OS version. See that how I'm going to do it. Docker pull Ubuntu. See, simply if you run docker pull Ubuntu, it will download the latest version. But I need particular version. So that you have to pass as a tag. So here tag is nothing but simply a text or version. Now see that colon 18.04. Actually we have 18.04 version for our Ubuntu operating system. That's why I'm giving that as a tag here. Be clear, while giving tag you have to pass colon here. Now let me enter. See that it is downloading 18.04 Ubuntu version. Now let me list our images which are there with our Docker host. Previously we were have only two. Now we are having three images. So Ubuntu latest and also Ubuntu 18.04. Now let me create a container using Ubuntu 18.04. How to create it? See, basically if you want to create a container, we have a command like docker run -it-d, then image name. Now here if I give simply Ubuntu, it will create a container with latest Ubuntu image, but I need with this tag, then your image colon your tag. That's it. Now let me enter. Now it has been created a container with Ubuntu 18.04. Now let me display the running containers. Previously we were having only two, now we have three. See that this is the latest container which we created, and see that image has been used by Ubuntu 18.04. Now let me enter into this container. Now to enter into that container, simply command is docker exec-it, your container ID, then which type of shell you wanna use. Suppose I want to use bash shell to connect with that. Yes. Now we enter into container. Now let me see the OS information. Now it is 18.04. Fine. Now let me come out from this container by pressing Ctrl PQ. Now be clear, we have these three images and containers. Fine. And one more thing you have to remember, that using only one image we can create n number of containers. Whenever if you create a container, automatically Docker will give some container ID to separate your container uniquely. And anyway, it is also going to give some random name. That's fine. Now one more thing. Suppose here we are using CentOS latest version. Now what is that version? Let me verify it by entering into this container, because this container has been created by your latest CentOS image. Now let me enter into docker exec-it this container with bash shell. sorry, what happened? Sorry, we need to provide container ID. So docker exec-it container ID bash. Now see your OS information. It is sent to OS 8. Suppose I need send to OS with let's say 6 version. Now just come out from your container. Now let me pull let's say send to OS 6.0. If it is there, it will give. If it is not there, you will get some exception. See that CentOS 6.0 is not found. Let me try with 6.8. It is there. That's it. Now let me download it. Fine. Now let me verify Docker images. See that Ubuntu image with the tag as latest and Ubuntu image with the tag as 18.04. Same way CentOS with the tag as the latest one and CentOS with the tag as 6.8. Now if you want to create a container using CentOS 6.8, yes, we can create it. And one more thing, actually to create a container, you no need to download or pull your image. If you directly run docker run command to create your container with your required image, if that image is there on your Docker host, it will use that. Otherwise, automatically it will download, it will pull from your Docker hub. I will do one thing. See that let me remove docker one image. Let's say this image ID I am removing. Now as of now, if you observe, your images are 3. Now I am creating a container docker run -it-d CentOS with 6.8. Now if I enter, it will create a container with this image. Anyway, as of now that image is not there with your Docker host, no problem. If it is there, it will use that image. If it is not there, docker command will automatically download that from our Docker hub or hub.docker.com. Now let me enter. See that it is downloading. Unable to find image locally, that's why it is pulling your image from your remote server. After pulling, it is creating that container. Now see that docker images. Just now your docker run command created a container using CentOS 6.8. So while creating that, it downloaded, it pulled your CentOS 6.8. That's why you are getting here CentOS 6.8. Fine. Now let me list containers. Docker BS. See that here, yeah, this one is the latest container which has been created by using CentOS 6.8. That's it. Now if you want to verify, simply docker exec-it your container ID, then use bash shell to connect with that. Now we are inside of our newly created container. Now let me verify the OS information. So this is 6.8. I'm not sure whether we have OS release file or not. Instead of that, we have, let's say, yeah, Red Hat release. Now using this file, you can verify it. That's it. Okay. Okay. Now let me come out from your container. That's it. So friends, simply remember that Docker image tags are useful to pull your required image from your hub.docker.com. If you don't mention any tag, by default it will pull or download the latest image. If you mention the tag, it will download your required image. That's it. Anyway, we will also create our required Docker images. At that time also we'll create our custom tags. We will see that. Okay. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video.